Welcome back to the channel, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more updates. Today we are diving into an exciting tutorial how to create a gradient based glowing shapes. Let's make glowing geometric shapes with gradients. Draw a circular or rectangle using the shape tool. Double click the shape layer and enable gradient overlay. Click edit gradient and pick vivid neon colors. Switch style to radial and set scale to 120%. Lower opacity slightly for natural blending. Add outer glow for extra brightness. Duplicate the shape layer for layered color. Use different angles to create mixed lighting. Blur one layer to create a diffused glow. The result feels modern and energetic. You can use the technique in music thumbnails or covers. Gradient